he went wearing that red, I wouldn't have seen him. I wouldn't zoomed in or nothing.
I'll take the door, I'll take the back ladder.
He's up top.
I'll take the ladder, you take the front door.
That's cool. He just saw me. Someone else is shooting, that's not me. Let's see if I can handcuff him.
It says friendly.
That was me, that was me, that was me.
Oh.
Coming down. Hello.
He's coming down the ladder.
He is? Get him.
Well, come handcuff him.
If I can.
Where'd you get that?
Oh my god.
Hello.
Got fellas.
Yeah, they got him, but this place is kind of hit or miss sometimes when you loot stuff.
Well, where you guys
They
headed?
fell off.
It's still in your hand.
I'm not sure yet.
Here's my
It says he moved and they fell off. He's got to stand
Oh.
still. Yeah, we
sure yet. We just got here.
I think I got him. I got him.
I'll let you hold those for me.
Guns out.
I'm gonna eat me some sardines. Watch the show.
We don't have anything to force feed him, do we?
No.
Could give him this bag of rice, make him thirsty.
I'm gonna take his bag of rice. Fuck that guy. And his sardines. Some 7.62 ammo.
He's moving. Another guy. Drop that other guy. There's another guy right here.
Me.
Kill him. Get him.
Oh shit!
Oh, someone else got me.